Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, let's find them and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on backup. And as you can see, this section is connected with the Google backup, Google account. So let's start with adding the new account. Of course, if you've got the account currently applied to the device, it will simply appear right here. You will be able to tap on it and then activate the account, activate the backup. If not, we have to add it. So just tap on add account. And make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but let me tap on accept because we should have another section, just like here. So as you can see, the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. To backup the data, you've got 15 gigabytes of the Google account. Of course, you can manage the backup whenever you want to. Your device will backup the data using the Wi-Fi, etc. So just tap on OK. And here we've got the backup section, so basically you can check what has already been backed up. You can manage the Google Photos also. I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so use Wi-Fi only. So thanks to this, you can be sure that you will not be charged for accessing the limit of the data. So basically, to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. And as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.